On today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this quick and easy, healthy infused water. This is a refreshing drink. Everybody could do this. I made this in about less than a minute. So all we need is, of course, a water. This is a 24-ounce water because I have a 24-ounce container. I'm adding 2 slices of lemons. Also, I added a couple of slices of strawberries. It's like a flavored water. This is like a substitute if you're into soda. This is a good substitute for soda. Of course, a mint. I'm using a peppermint. And now I'm adding a raw honey. I like this honey. It's really good. It adds flavor to everything. Just maybe a tablespoon or a teaspoon of honey and just mix it. If you have time to kind of mix the honey in a hot water, that will be great, but I'm kind of rushing this morning because I have an hour commute to work. And that's it. This is your healthy drink. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching A Dash of Spices.